Okay, so what we want to do is add some collision to this object so that when we walk into it, it does a pickup. So you'll see here's an ammo pickup. I'm gonna double click that. And I'll dock it up here. And inside of our viewport here, we need to add some collision to our object. So go to Add Component and scroll down to Collision. We'll do Box Collision. And I'm just going to place it in the middle of my object here. I'm going to hit R and scale this out. Sorry, those remove the scaling, the snapping. So something like this. All right, I'm going to save and compile that. And then let's go to our event graph. So what I can do here is delete this tick and delete this begin play. And what we're going to use is our event actor begin overlap. And then what I want to do is cast to first person character. So we're going to grab our first person character like that. And then what we're going to affect as we walk into this is the, let's grab our ammo crate, or ammo count. There's our, and remember, because we're grabbing our first person character, referencing it from here, we have access to all those variables that exist within our first person character. What we're also going to do is we want to set our player's current ammo to, um, here's our player. And right now it says player current ammo 0. And we're going to set that to whatever the current ammo is, so the ammo current count. So let's do ammo. You know what I'm going to do is inside of here, to make life easier, I'm going to make another integer. And I'm going to name this ammo pickup count. And let's save and compile this. You can kind of set this to whatever you like. I don't know, I'll do like 10 or something. And what I want to do is as I enter this node, I want to add these two together, right? So I'm going to do a integer plus another integer. And that's going to be what our player's current ammo is. So I'm just going to link these two together. So let's compile and save that. And the next thing I want to do is play a sound at location. And then the sound will pick, I don't know, we can do, I'll just like collapse 1. And then I want to destroy the game object once we walk into it. We want get actor location. There it is. So that's just going to get the current location. Notice it says self here. That should work. Alright, I'm going to highlight everything. Just hit C. And then adds ammo to pickup. And compile, save, compile. And then I'm going to press play. And let's walk into it. Okay, that sound, I don't know if the mic recorded it, but it did add 40 ammo to it, and it was a little harsh. I'm going to change my ammo pickup to, I guess 40 is good, and then you guys can change it. I don't know. Well, you can play with that later.